Hi, today I want to talk to you about stress. Now, I can't get rid of the stress in your life, but we can certainly employ tactics on how to minimize stress in your life. And so a lot of times when I'm working in my clinic or I'm taking care of my kids as a mom, I get overwhelmed with the amount of things that I have to do. So one of my favorite tactics is actually breaking down what it is that I have to do into much smaller tasks. So believe it or not, I have like a little journal and I'll write with little check boxes what it is that I have to knock out during the day, and then I put little checks by them. And it's a little bit empowering and accomplishing, so I do highly recommend it. And one of my favorite quotes is, "How to eat an elephant, it's one bite at a time." So if I see something that's big and overwhelming like an elephant, I try to break down the tasks like into small things so that I'm not overwhelmed by them. Another important tip is exercise, at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, if you can get that. Another good stress busting tip would be meditation and mindfulness. And so a lot of us are always overwhelmed with televisions being on or devices, people being sunk into their devices. You're constantly being overstimulated. And so people have great difficulty in kind of zeroing everything out and bringing yourself to the moment. I sometimes have difficulty with this, and I know it's going to sound crazy that I use technology to do this, but two apps that I use to kind of bring myself back to the moment that I'm in is an app called Calm and another one called Headspace. And I need a little bit of the guided imagery and the guided meditation to try to get me to zero out the environment that I'm in and bring myself to the moment that I'm in, and that relieves a lot of stress. So try the stress busting techniques at home, and for UT Health RGV, I'm Dr. Escalona.